What's going on, everybody? Today I found an RV that's the worst 2021 floor plan I have found yet. In today's video, I want to tell you why this is the worst floor plan, why I think it's going to be terrible for resale, and just show you the whole coach here. So right now we are in a 2021 Tiffin Allegro Bus 35 CP. This has a list price of $446,537,000, and the RV show price here in Phoenix, Arizona is $366,798. Now, there are several manufacturers that have done this same floor plan. I'm just using this unit as an example. This isn't Tiffin Allegro Bus specific. And there is one major benefit to this floor plan that I'm going to let you know as well, and the reason why people choose it. So I'll show you around a little bit around the coach here, and then I'm going to tell you why this is the worst floor plan. So it's got the big Tiffin screens up front here. I love the infotainment system. Love the dash area here. I like the light seats here. I'm even going to back it up here. I've got to show you the entryway here. Really nice entryway with this cool kind of pebble style. I like it. Tiffin stitching in seats there. I like this solid surface countertop here with the outlets here as well. This is a real popular feature they're doing in a lot of the newer coaches. I'm hanging out with Brian's RV videos back there. Brian was saying that he's able to install one of these in one of your older coaches if you want to. About how much dough to put that in my Tiffin Phaeton on the spot, Brian? How much dough am I looking at?
I don't know the exact price on one of those, but that can't be too bad. Probably 50, 75 bucks at worst, and then probably an hour installation, because more than likely you've got some power right around there, so it wouldn't be too bad. So probably about 200 bucks to get one of those put in for you.
Wow, that's super cheap. So I would have expected it to be a lot more expensive. I do like all the detail work Tiffin did use on the ceiling here. And we're going to show you the exterior. Beautiful exterior as well. Love the paint scheme. I like that they've got the cup holders here. What is that, a dishwasher there, it looks like? Good size dishwasher. Fisher Paykel, same dishwasher they use in the real high-end coaches. I do like, the one thing I do really like about this floor plan is how the kitchen is broken up. It's got kind of an L-shaped kitchen here with a sink over here. And what is this, a second sink or just the cooktop here? Looks like a true induction cooktop there. Pretty good sized window over the kitchen area here. So your kitchen is kind of on both sides of the coach, how it's broken up. And then you've got your refrigerator. And they didn't forget the fireplace here with a little bit of storage, I would assume. No, pantry. Pull-out pantry, 2 pull-out pantries there. You've got a TV on a televator right there next to your dinette area. And the thing that is horrible about this floor plan here is this is a rear bathroom with no center bathroom here. So if you want to use the restroom, you've got to come all the way to the back of the coach. And this isn't a bad use of space if you don't mind a rear bathroom. And I mean, it's a really nice, large rear bathroom. The biggest advantage of having a rear bathroom coach is you don't have to have an aisleway there in the center of the coach for the bathroom. So your entire width of the coach can be used as the bathroom. You still have the king size bed, it looks like, or like an in-between king size bed. USB ports bedside there. Nice sink here. Washer and dryer here. Wardrobe across the back of the coach with the lit wardrobe bar. I really like that. That's high end. And then a safe here in the back of the coach. It does have a window and a vent. For resale values, if you have any guests, if you have any family, if you have any, if you don't want people walking the entire length of the coach every time they have to go to the bathroom, probably isn't the floor plan for you. Also, for resale value, I definitely recommend a bath and a half. Definitely makes a big difference. So appreciate all of you liking these videos and subscribing to the channel. I hope you're all having a great day, and in the comments below let me know what you guys think, if you would buy this floor plan or not. Appreciate all of you. Thanks again.